Join me as I dive into the mysteries of our Sun and try to uncover what's really hiding in the dark. The Sun, it's the star at the center of our solar system, the powerhouse that makes life on Earth possible. It's hard to imagine a world without its light and warmth. But beyond its familiar glow, the Sun holds many secrets, mysterious elements that scientists are only beginning to unravel. Studying the Sun isn't easy. Its extreme conditions make it one of the most challenging objects to observe in the universe. The surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, and the core, a scorching 15 million degrees Celsius. Then there's the corona, the Sun's outer atmosphere, which is mysteriously hotter than its surface. Current technology allows us to study the Sun in various wavelengths of light, but there's still so much that we can't see or understand. The Sun's intense radiation also interferes with our instruments, making it hard to get clear data. The Sun's distance from Earth is another hurdle. It's about 149.6 million kilometers away, which means that by the time we get our data back, it's already old news. The Sun is dynamic, constantly changing. So what we learn today may not be accurate tomorrow. And let's not forget the Sun's magnetic field, which affects our spacecraft and the way we collect data. It's like trying to study a moving target while standing on a moving platform. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections are just a couple of the phenomena that make the Sun so fascinating and unpredictable. These events can impact Earth, causing spectacular aurora displays and disrupting our communication systems. The Sun's activity cycle also plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's climate. But despite all we've learned, there's still much to discover about the Sun's inner workings. The Parker Solar Probe has been a game-changer in solar research, providing unprecedented insights into the Sun's corona and magnetic field. Its findings have challenged our existing theories and opened up new avenues for research. The probe's data has also helped scientists better understand the Sun's wind and its impact on the solar system. One significant theory that has shed light on the Sun's deeper secrets is the idea of solar oscillations, or the Sun's heartbeat. By studying these oscillations, scientists can learn more about the Sun's internal structure and composition. This knowledge can help us better understand the Sun's evolution and its potential impact on our solar system. In summary, we've only scratched the surface of the Sun's mysteries. Ongoing research is crucial to understanding our solar system's dynamics and how the Sun affects our planet. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we still have to discover. So, what surprised you the most about the Sun? Was it the extreme conditions on its surface, or maybe the mysterious corona? Let me know in the comments. If you're curious about space and astronomy, check out my other videos for more deep dives into the unknown.